Join me in crocheting this cute bucket bag in less than an hour. You'll need 1 ball of the new Crochet Express yarn by WOW by Katia, a 10mm crochet hook, a handle like this one, and a stitch marker. Start by making a magic ring. Then make 1 turning chain. This does not count as a stitch. And work 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull the ring closed and continue with an increase round, working 2 single crochets into each stitch. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch of the round. At the end of round 2, you'll have 12 single crochets. For round 3, work the following sequence all the way around. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Mark the first stitch. And you'll finish the round with 18 single crochets. For round 4, work the sequence. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. You'll finish the round with 24 single crochets. Now we'll start building the sides of the bag. Work 1 round of single crochet stitches, but crochet into the back loop only. Next, work 5 more rounds of single crochet, keeping 24 stitches in each round. For round 11, work the following sequence. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. A decrease is made by crocheting 2 stitches together into 1 stitch. To finish, crochet 1 final round of single crochet stitches. You'll have a total of 18 stitches. Cut the yarn and fasten off. To weave in the end, pull the yarn through the last stitch you made. Then insert it through the center of the V of that stitch to create an invisible finish. Continue weaving the end through the inside of the stitches. Take the remaining yarn and weave it through the spaces between the stitches of the last round, leaving 2 stitches between each insertion point. Pull it tight to create the drawstring closure and tie it into a bow for a beautiful finishing touch. Attach the handles using their easy fastening mechanism, and your bag is ready.